y'all, welcome back to another video from your girl. So today I'm going to be installing this wig by Yolissa hair. This is a 5x5 closure in a body wave texture. It is 250% density and 28 inches. Everything will be linked in the description box down below so you guys can check it out. So first things first, I'm just going to go ahead and put the wig on. I do have a wig cap on underneath, and I will link also in the description box where I purchased my wig caps from because I really like these. So I'm going to be doing this wig 100% glueless today. I'm not going to be using any glues, any gels, any sprays to actually install the wig. But I did go ahead and take some hairspray. That was Tresemme hairspray, and I sprayed it on the edge comb, and I'm just combing my edges up to give it like a really neat and clean look. This wig also comes pre-plucked. The knots are also pre-bleached, so you don't have to do any customization or anything like that. It saves you so much time. You can literally just throw it on, style it to your liking, and go. And that's what I love about these like already prepared wigs. It just saves so much time. What I am gonna do is take some Nairobi mousse. This kind of just lays the lace down. It's definitely not necessary at all. I just like to do it because I feel like it lays the lace and kind of melts it into my skin even without any like spray, gel, or glue. So I just do that, and then I tie it down with the elastic band that came with the box. So next I'm going to section off my hair at the top. I like to do this whenever I hot comb my wig down. I just feel like it really gets into the hair and makes it as flat as it can possibly get. So I'm taking my She Is Bomb wax stick, and I'm just adding this to the root of the hair before taking my hot comb on the hottest setting it can go, and I hot comb over it so everything can get nice and flat. I really love how quick this wig install was. I know that this video is like 9 minutes, but all in all, in total, this wig took me like probably 20 minutes to really like get completely done with it. Curls and all, like it did not take me long at all. It was so easy. Like I just love wigs like this. This is literally the definition of a throw on and go. After you do your, hot combing and everything like that, you can take this wig off at night, and then the next morning throw it right back on. Nothing else to do, just throw it right back on. The curls are already done, it's already flat, you don't got to do nothing. I also really recommend this density of hair. This is the 250% density. I want to say that this is the highest density that it goes, so it's really thick, and I feel like for straight hair, the higher density, it just makes the hair look so voluminous and full and just really pretty and bouncy when it's like really thick. And I really like that about this wig. 180% density is also good, but at 250, if you know, 250% is that girl. Like you can really see how thick this wig is right here. Like just look how thick and pretty it is. It's a full wig, like, and I really like that. I like full hair wigs. So I end up cutting layers at the very front of the wig just so it can frame my face better. So I'm just taking this cutting comb, and I'm just using it to cut like layers. Like I'm not cutting it too short, but I am starting about at my chin area and going down from there. But I didn't cut a lot at all, just this little piece in the front, because I felt like this wig, it really didn't need it, and I didn't want to take away from the thickness of the wig. So I'm just recurling the front part. I did get this curling iron from Amazon, and I really like it. I'm gonna link it in the description box. It's like a long barrel curler, so the barrel is really long, which is really good for long hair. And a good trick to always curling your hair, how to look really good, the clamp should always be pointed forward whenever you start to clamp the hair down. This gives you the prettiest curls, and it just really frames your face the best. So I'm just taking a little bit of hairspray on like this little piece at the part, and I'm just using this clamp so that it can kind of stick up. Like, I don't want this part to be flat. I kind of want it to have a little volume up there, so I use the clamp to kind of keep it in place. Then I'm going to take my Maybelline Fit Me foundation. This is in the color Coconut, and I'm just going to use this little fluffy brush to tap on the lace so that it blends better with my skin tone. And then I'm going to take LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Warm Honey to trace out my part. I feel like I've been using the same two colors since I've started doing wigs. Like, these are my go-tos. The Maybelline Fit Me in 355, which is Coconut, and then the LA Girl Pro Fit in Warm Honey. Them my colors. I've been using them forever, for as long as I can remember. And it just came out so good. Oh my gosh, y'all, you can never go wrong with this hairstyle. It is a classic. So cute. And the short lashes, they really bring out the hair. Like, I love it. So this is the end of the video, and I really hope you guys enjoyed it. So this wig is by none other than Yolissa, and I love this wig. I feel like I haven't had a lace that was just like, oh my god, like that's skin right there in a while. And girl, this is giving skin. It's very snug on my head. For it to be glueless, it's really snug. Like, I don't feel like it's going anywhere. It fits really good, and I'm obsessed with it. If y'all are interested in purchasing this wig, I will leave a link in the description box down below. This is their 28-inch 5x5 closure wig, and this is in their body wave texture, so it automatically came with these curls. I didn't really want to do too much to the curls. I kind of like them how they are, very loose, very just really flowy and, you know, loose, and I really like that. I highly recommend this wig. Make sure you guys go click the link in my description box and check it out. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also turn your post notifications so you can always be notified anytime your girl posts a video. And yeah, I'll definitely catch you guys in the next one.